What if I told you that you don't need to be a professional video editor to make money with CapCut? In fact, thousands of beginners are earning every month using CapCut in ways that have nothing to do with editing videos for clients, editing videos for themselves. Does it sound cool, or it is sounding a bit of funny or unbelievable? If you have a smartphone and a little consistency, this video could completely change how you look at things and how you look at earning online. Stay until the end because the last method has been the potential method for people to earn with passive income. I'll be giving you the 5 simple ways to make money with CapCut without being a video editor. I bring this video to my beginners, to my friends, to my followers who have been saying, I have some of my really royal followers. These are the people that whenever I put a video, they are always the first people. Is it on Facebook? Is it on YouTube? They're always to comment. But when I go to check, I find out that some of them don't have any video on YouTube, on Facebook, meaning they are not interested, or they are not into that line of making videos. So I'm like, let's do some mathematics and bring in, because making money online is very broad. Most people think CapCut is only for editing TikTok or YouTube videos, Facebook videos, Instagram videos. No. Yes, it's true, but it's only a smaller part of what the app can do. This app is too big for only that. Today, CapCut has created opportunities for creators. I've earned a little some amount of money through templates making. I've earned through, I think it is through affiliate marketing, and also other people have earned through it through educators and digital entrepreneurship. You don't need to be expensive. You don't need to have an expensive equipment. You don't need to have years of experience or a powerful computer. No. We are going to look at 5 simple ways beginners can start earning from CapCut without becoming video editor. Irrespective of which smartphone you have, provided it is a smartphone, you have access to internet, and you're focused, it's the way to go. Good morning, good afternoon, welcome back to this mind-blowing video. It's Christine, your lady, that lady that says I should not hold a smartphone and beg for bread. This is a big disclaimer, and I would love you to underline it. I'm not saying that the moment you start using CapCut, these simple methods, you're going to be a millionaire. No. I'm bringing for you some of the tips that people have used and have used. So you take 5 to 10% of them, do research. If you find you can do it, continue. If you can't, just leave it. And before I forget, you guys, we have our special engagers. I would love to mention your names, but let me keep it. I have nothing to give you sincerely from the bottom of my heart, but my prayer is always for you to succeed in life. I love you so much. Thank you for being there. Together we can. I'm giving the first method almost 100% of it if you try it, because most people have used it and it is the easiest way. This is one of the easiest way to start. Instead of editing videos for people or yourself, create reusable templates that anyone can use. These can include birthday templates, travel templates, motivational quote templates, wedding templates, business promotions, before and after transformations, or trending social media styles. These templates are hotcaked. When your template becomes popular, thousands or even millions of people may use it. The more people use these templates, the more exposure you receive, opening opportunities for creator rewards, sponsorship, and traffic to your own social media pages. I can give you a tip for beginners. Focus on simple, trendy templates instead of complicated ones. What is CapCut itself? If you're here and you've not been in the world of editing CapCut, you go to your smartphone, download it. It is not hard. There's a time I took time to educate someone about CapCut. me myself, I'm still learning it. No one taught me CapCut, but I learn it every day. Now going to that side, if you want to see all these opportunities and you want to get a step-by-step tutorial on CapCut, please write it in the comment section. The second easiest way to make money on CapCut is to promote affiliate product using CapCut. You don't need your own products. Join an affiliate program and earn commission by promoting products or services. Use CapCut to create attractive product demonstrations, short tutorials, customer testimonials, or problem-solving videos. Every time someone buys through your affiliate link, you earn commission. Many beginners combine CapCut with platforms like TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Facebook, and Instagram Reels to drive their free traffic. The third is selling digital products. This is part of one of my darling. CapCut can help you promote digital products that you create once and sell repeatedly. What are these digital products? Digital products, we have like ebooks, we have social media guides, content calendars, printable planners, resume templates, budget planners, online courses, without forgetting any other that you know as a digital product, which you can put in the comments section. Use CapCut to create eye-catching promotional videos explaining how your product solves a problem. One digital product can continue earning money for months, even years. It's a passive income project, depending on which product you're going to be promoting. Grow a monetized social media page is the fourth way. CapCut is one of the best tools for creating short-form videos that attract viewers. What do I mean here? Instead of editing for clients, use CapCut to build your own Facebook page. Use CapCut to build your own YouTube channel. Use CapCut to build your TikTok account or Instagram. Once your audience grows, you can earn through advertising revenue, you can earn through brand sponsorship, you can earn through affiliate marketing, digital product sales, paid promotions. You're building an online asset that can generate income time over time. Last but not least, you guys, I love it so much. It is to teach people how to use CapCut. Remember, beginners are always looking for someone who just one step ahead of them. I've seen people tell me I've failed, but you find I don't have time. As you learn CapCut, document your journey. Create videos. I've seen people teach about CapCut. Just go to YouTube. You will find very many videos about CapCut. Indeed, they even document the journey. They even show how they learned CapCut. The whole journey is always there. So they create videos showing hidden CapCut features, new updates, text animation, AI tools, trending effects, simple tutorials, productivity tips. You guys, I learn from people on these platforms. Whenever I want anything on CapCut, I go and search and I find someone did it. And the moment I'm watching, they are earning. As your audience grows, you can earn through platform monetization, there's sponsorship, there's affiliate links, without forgetting selling your own guides or courses. Teaching often becomes more profitable than simply using the software. Now, the biggest mistake beginners make is believing they must become professional editors before making money with CapCut. No, it's simply not true. CapCut is a tool. Your income depends on how creatively you use it. Whether you create templates, you promote affiliate products, you sell digital products, or build your own social media pages, or teach others, every one of these methods can become a real income stream if you're consistent. Start with one method today, master it before moving to the next. Small, consistent actions can lead to life-changing results. You guys, I think this is enough. And I ask, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, to share it. You can even subscribe for my channel for practical ways to make money only using free tools and your smartphone. I'll put the CapCut link in the description. You can go there If you've not been with CapCut, you check the overview of CapCut and let me know what you want me to add on CapCut. Thank you very much. See you in another video. Bye bye.